Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a Black Friday haul slash Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. I did get all three of them, so I'm so excited. They just arrived today and I'm like, I need to film this now because I need to get it up ASAP because yeah, I mean, like, it's probably too late. So I thought I would make it more interesting and just talk through some of the things I got during Black Friday, which one of them was delivered today or yesterday, and another order was delivered last week. I was just like, let's just talk about it. Why not? Let's just talk about it. By the way, I'm not wearing makeup because I'm about to film a look for, I'm about to do a look for Instagram. I'm doing 25 days of Christmas over there. I have 3 more looks to do and I'm on a roll, man. It's December 19th, so I'm pretty ahead. I want to do 2 looks, no, 1 look today, 2 looks tomorrow, and a couple of New Year's looks, and then I have to pack up all of my filming equipment because I'm moving in a week. A week and 2 days is when we move. It's crazy. We come to pack up our stuff on Monday, so I'm very, very stressed. I'm trying to get through things. I want to get content, film through the year slash a little bit of the beginning of the year. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, and I don't know what my filming setup's going to be when we get to Virginia, so we'll see. But yeah, that's why I'm not wearing makeup. I was like, I want to use some of the products that probably came in the mystery boxes, so let me hold off on doing my makeup and just kind of have a fresh face. I know my face is breaking out. I am stressed. I have pimples everywhere. I look gross, but I did just get my hair done, so there's that. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, let's get into this unboxing slash Black Friday haul. I don't even know. It's gonna be random. Alright, so the first thing I got was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They had like a good deal on like their everything, pretty much. But I needed a good pair of eyebrow scissors. So I got their eyebrow scissors. I did already take it out of the packaging because I was like, I just need to like use them. So, and I did get the tweezers as well. My husband's constantly taking my scissors, so I needed like one for myself. Plus these are like much better quality than the ones that I had from the drugstore. The tweezers are amazing. They actually work really, really well, and I like them better than my tweezer tweezers, which is the one that I normally use. My tweezer tweezers are kind of dead because I peel off flash glue with them. They look gross and they aren't as sharp anymore, so they're not as effective, so I thought I would get that. And I also got a replacement for my Dip Brow Pomade. This is in the shade Soft Brown. It's my go-to brow product. I was gonna do my brows for this video to at least have them done, but I'm actually going to be covering one of my brows with, you know, so that I can draw over it. So I was like, let me just not do that. Those are the 3 things I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Moving on to the next thing, which is P. Louise. I ordered a bunch of the P. Louise bases in the different colors because they're kind of like paints, but I got them in a bunch of different colors. I got a bunch of sets, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these now. I'm gonna open this one first, which, by the way, this packaging. By the way, tell me how this order got to me, like before Jeffree's did, and they came from the UK. Like, tell me how. Tell me how that is possible. So these are the individual ones that I ordered. This is not a set. I just literally ordered like random colors and they put them in this packaging, I guess. Oh, I don't even have to. I just broke it for no reason. I don't think I have to do that. I got like so many colors. I believe this is the Acid Rain collection. I just didn't get the whole thing because I didn't really need the brushes that it came with. This one's Ecstasy. We've got Limelight, which I'm so excited to use. We've got Raver and Glow Girl. So super excited for this. This is the winter edition collection of the bases, and these are just like, I guess, more pastel-y colors, I think. This packaging, first of all, like, how cute is this? It makes me sad that I'm just gonna like end up throwing these away. But anyway, these are the colors that come in this collection. I think the green is so like unique looking. I'm just excited to be able to use these in like a bunch of different looks for Instagram. So yeah, here is the last one. This is the basic Brights collection, and all you do is open it. I'm excited to finally have like a red base. I'm like in dire need of a red base like this, so super excited. Oh, what will you dare to create? And then it gives you like the options that you to mix to make like different colors. Oh, that's so cute. Now on to the big stuff. I'm so excited. So I did get a few things from the 5-year anniversary collection that he got. So let's see if I can find those in this big ass box. But everything came in this big box. That's all 3 mystery boxes as well as my order. So let's see if I can find it. I love the tissue paper, by the way. Jeffree Star's packaging is like so cute, honestly. Here it is. So the first thing I see here is the 5-year anniversary bundle, the lip bundle. So this one has Drug Lord, Doll Parts, Androgyny, Mistletoe, and Ho Ho Ho. I actually already own Drug Lord, so I might end up putting that in a giveaway or future giveaway or something. This one is Doll Parts. This is like a pink. I'm excited to continue adding to my Jeffree Star collection. So this is like a pink. Let's swatch it over here so I can actually do proper swatches this time. So that's what that looks like. Cute. I'm gonna put it back. Androgyny looks like it's gonna be like a really nice like pinky nude, I guess. It's like more of a like mauve-y nude, but it's beautiful. I would rock this on a daily basis, to be honest. Then we've got Mistletoe, which is green. And I wish I would have had this earlier because I would have done so many looks with green lipstick. That is Mistletoe. And then the last one is Ho Ho Ho. I'm looking for that perfect like bright Christmas red. Like I want to wear a red lipstick on Christmas, so hopefully this is it. We shall see though. Yeah, that's not it, but it's still really pretty. This is the Extreme Frost highlighting powder in the shade Sour Ice. I wish she made a few more wearable colors, but this box is like everything. I am so excited to use this on my face. Oh my god, look at how pretty it is, guys. I almost don't want to swatch it, but I really freaking do. Holy crap, look at how blinding that is. Honestly, I hope he makes more wearable colors, but that is gorgeous. I can't wait to use this on my face. The reason I got Sour Ice is because I thought it looked like the most natural out of all of them. Plus, it'll look good on like Christmas looks, I guess. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. The formula is really interesting. It's almost like pressed, but like it was loose once and then it was pressed, if that makes sense. It's like kind of crumbly, super interesting. I'm gonna keep this box. I think it's super cute. It'll take up a lot of room, but I don't care. Let's get into the boxes. But I'm gonna grab the mini. Oh, this is the mini. I don't know what's wrong with me and this packaging, but we don't get along. I don't understand how to open it. So I know a lot of people were complaining about the whole sticker situation, and I don't care because I got this box for free. Essentially, I got my money back. So there's that. I love the stickers, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I would use them, but I will definitely find a use for them, to be honest. Like, they're cute. Look at that. They're totally right up my alley. It reminds me of like Ed Hardy designs. I don't know if that, I might be too old. Anyway, the two things that are in here besides the stickers are the Velar lip scrub in this is Cucumber Mint. I love lip scrubs. I might use it right now. My lips are doing horribly. I just got them filled, so they look crusty, and I'm actually not really supposed to scrub them too much yet, but this is what it looks like. If you haven't seen his packaging for his lip scrubs, it's super cute, and it's a big ass jar. Like, this will last you like a year. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of cucumber scents, but you know what, I don't care. Not supposed to be scrubbing my lips, doing it anyway. I'm a rebel, what can I say? And then we get one liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 818, and this looks like a peachy color. I'm so excited to be building up my Jeffree Star collection. Oh, this is a shade that might make me look like crazy, but it's okay. I will find a use for this, you know. Eye safe eyeliner. That's it for the mini. Super excited for this one. I got the hang of it, yay! Alright, so this is the next box. Alright, the first thing I see right here is the Liquid Frost. Hopefully this is a shade that I can actually use, because in the last mystery box I couldn't. This is in the shade Chill Zone. I think this might be, is this exclusive? I'm not sure. To be quite honest, it looks exactly like the other one. It looks like the same shade as the last one that I got, which sucks. I've never tried his Liquid Frosts. They don't work for me. That's way too dark. Even blended out, that's not gonna work on my pale ass skin, but I'm keeping the packaging. I'll put it in a giveaway. Then we have, oh, this shade Stalking. This is the exclusive shade. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a red with glitter. Oh, I'm so excited that I got this one. It's pretty. I like it. Let's watch it. This might be the shade I end up using on Christmas, because it's like a perfect red with some shimmer. That is the perfect red. That is beautiful. Next we have the shade Queen Supreme. This one looks like a pale pink, which would look horrible on me. Oh no, it's not a pale pink. That is gorgeous, actually. That looks more purple. Well, I don't know. Depends on your interpretation. I think maybe I can rock it. We'll see. I might be too pale for it. There's another pack of stickers. Are they the same? Yeah, they're exactly the same. And the thing I've been waiting for that I saw the moment I opened this box, I'm so excited. You have no idea. I don't own this palette, so oh my gosh, I can't believe I have it in my hands. I am so happy that I never bought this palette. This palette is probably worth the price of this box. So just imagine the value that this box gives. I'm so happy that I finally own this palette. The packaging, oh my god, let's open it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, that shade. Oh my god, that shit, like there's so, oh my god, there's so many, oh my god, look at how pretty it is. Oh my god. I can't believe he did this. The value of this box itself is absolutely insane. Alright, so that's it for the second box. Third box. I already see something I'm going to love. So the first thing I see is the sweatshirt. I'm gonna try it on right now. Guys, what the heck? I'm so excited for this. I love merch, I love representing, and I love purple, so this is perfect. We have two liquid lipsticks. This is a gorgeous shade. So this is like a blue shade. It's called Huntington Beach. Oh my gosh, I would rock this on the lips to be honest, but I would also use this as an eyeliner. Hello, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. This is one of my favorite colors ever. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to use this. And then the second one is Clout. So this is like a lilac-y. It looks like it has some shimmer. Oh, it says shake well before use. I'm pretty sure they all do, but I never do it. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. It's stunning. Look at that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's way too hot in here for this hoodie. Like my AC is off because it's cold outside and I'm hot. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's like a metallic. That is so pretty. I mean, I know you can't really see the true color because my hand is all messed up from all the other swatches, but holy crap, that is beautiful. Next we have a Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. This is pretty anyway. I don't know that it would work for my skin tone, but let's see. It might. Like maybe even as an eyeshadow. This is pretty anyway. Like look at how, oh my god, that would be a gorgeous eyeshadow. Like gorgeous. Pretty sure if I do like a sheer layer though, it would look okay as a highlight on my skin tone. Like it has to be very, very sheer and very, very well blended so it's not like so dark. It might be too dark. I'm gonna have to wipe that off before I do my makeup, but I'm so excited for this. Wow. Then we have the peppermint straw. I'm so excited. And it comes with a little what's it called? Cleaner. Man, I wish it was big enough to fit my big jug that I use daily, but it's not. I try to drink one of these a day. It's huge. It's like, look at how big it is, like compared to my head. And I have this big metal straw in here. I mean, I'm definitely gonna use it anyway because it's super cute. We have another thing of stickers. I know a lot of people are pissed off that this is counted as an item in each box, and it's the same exact sheet of stickers in each box, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. Yeah, this is the Thirsty palette, which I also don't own. I'm so excited now that I have two more palettes to add to my collection. This is so gorgeous. This would be like a really awesome everyday palette. Like honestly, I can't wait to use this. I'm so excited to use this in a bunch of looks coming up. So this was another exclusive. He actually like spoiled this before anyone even got it, to be honest, but he didn't actually open it. So I'm excited to see the shades in person and use them today and for the next two looks that I do. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look out. They smell like peppermint. Oh my gosh. It smells like a candy cane. Okay, I'm gonna swatch each of them. Look at how gorgeous this is. I love the packaging. Peppermint Frost. And here is this shade. Ooh, it's wearable. Thank God. That is gorgeous. Then we have, that was Chocolate Ice. This is Igloo Gold. This is definitely more my skin tone. And then we have Ugly Sweater. Ooh, that one's more like a pinky. I love that they're all different and they would work on a lot of skin tones. And I think all three would work even on my skin tone. So I'm super excited for that. I cannot wait to use this more. And it actually smells like peppermint. I wish it tasted like peppermint, but then that'd be weird because I'd be eating makeup, so maybe not. Yeah, that's it for this haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I know it was a little more chillax. I'm not wearing makeup, and you know what? I honestly don't care. I have to take this off though. I am dying, I'm sweating, and I have to create my look because tonight we're gonna go see Star Wars, the new Star Wars movie, and I'm a little nervous that they're gonna mess up my Star Wars movie, but I gotta get this look done in like 2 hours so I can get ready and go. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite item in these mystery boxes were. Did you get the mystery boxes? Let's have a conversation in the comments, right? And yeah, you can subscribe right here. You can watch these 2 videos if you've missed them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.